Good morning, grade 4. Welcome to science class. Learners, in the previous session, we have read about the different types of simple machines. Okay, today we will read about the energy. We need energy to do everything like talking, laughing, working, and playing. Energy is the ability to do work. There are different forms of energy like wind energy, solar energy, chemical energy, and muscular energy. Okay, energy can be found in many things and can take different forms. Energy is never lost, but it can be converted from one form to another. It is everywhere around us. It takes energy to cook food. Sources of energy. Energy is obtained from different sources. Obtained means get. We can get energy from different sources. First of all, sun. The sun is the most important source of energy on the earth. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Plants trap solar energy to make food. The food has energy stored in the form of chemical energy. Solar energy is also used to cook food. Using solar cookers, it can be also be converted into electrical energy through solar panels. Converted means changed or reformed. The energy of the sun is the original source of energy found on earth. We get solar energy from the sun, and sunlight can also be used in produce electricity. Okay. Next source of energy is wind. Moving air is called wind. Wind energy turns the blades of a windmill to generate electricity, draw underground water, or to grind grains into flour. Generate means produce or create. A windmill is a structure that converts wind power into rotational energy. Windmills are mechanical devices that are used for converting wind energy into electrical energy. You can see here windmill. Next is water. Moving water possesses a lot of energy. Dams are built to use the energy of water. The water stored in dams is allowed to fall from a height on turbines. As a result, the turbines rotate and help produce electricity. What is turbine? Steam powered machine that produce electricity through movement, and rotate means move. The electricity produced by the flow of water over dams. A dam is a barrier that stops or restricts the flow of water. This is a dam. Next is fuels. Substances like coal, petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas, short form CNG, kerosene and wood that are burnt to produce heat and power are called fuels. All the vehicles like cars and buses use fuels to move. Fuels are used for cooking also. Energy can be changed from one form to another. In electric energy is converted into light energy, and in electric energy is converted into heat energy. Yes, have you checked this? Yes, learners. Substance means material, and kerosene. What is kerosene? A light fuel oil. Learners, let's go. This cars and other vehicles cause pollution. You should walk on cycle to nearby places. To save the petrol and to support the stopping in pollution, you should go nearby by a cycle. Okay, learners, now we will do the exercises of this chapter. Pick the correct answer. The direction of a moving object can be changed by applying gravity, friction, force or work. What is the right answer? Tell me. Yes, force. Work is said to be done when you read a book, talk to your friend, push a ball or push a book. Tell me. Yes, D. Push a book. Which of the following is not a lever? Scissors, seesaw, bottle opener or ramp? Yes, ramp is the correct answer. Which of the following is a simple machine? Book, bottle, screw or windmill? Which is right, learners? Tell me. Yes, screw. Steering wheel and screwdriver are examples of pulley, inclined plane, wheel and axle, bells. Which is the right answer? Yes, wheel and axle. Now, write T for true and F for false statements. A ball thrown up in the sky falls back due to gravity. True or false? True. Write T here. Friction slows or stops a moving object. This is T. Rods are loaded onto a truck by pushing them up using a pulley. False. A spoon used to open the lid of a tin acts as a wedge. False. F. Wind energy turns the blades of a solar cooker. F. False. Now, exercise number C and D. These are the question answers. Learners, I am sending the PDF of these two exercises C and D. Okay, you have to write these answers in your science notebook. Okay, learners, identify the pictures and write their names below. What it is? Have you seen this picture? This is solar cooker. Okay, and this is windmill. And third one is screw. Read the clues and solve the crossword puzzle. Okay, a crossword. It is said to be done when force applied changes the position of an object. What is this? Verb. Second, a kind of force. Friction. Capability to do work. Energy. And down, a source of energy. Water. Moving air. Wind. A push or pull. Force. Learners, solve this puzzle correctly. Okay. Now, why do hospitals have a ramp? Learners, I am sending the PDF of these questions also. You have to do in your science notebook. Okay. Romil was trying to open the bottle of a soft drink using his teeth. He felt pain in his teeth. What should he use to open the bottle? Screw, bottle opener, knife or pulley? What should he use? Bottle opener. Okay. Let us perform an activity to show that rough surface causes more friction than a smooth surface. Things needed: cotton, mirror and sandpaper. Method: touch the surface of mirror and sandpaper. Which one is smoother, rub cotton or both? On which surface you are able to rub cotton easily? Learners, do this activity and write your observation in your science notebook. Okay? If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.